In today's video, we'll talk about YouTube's ambient mode. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So YouTube just released a new feature called ambient mode, and if you just Google about it, what we'll find is ambient mode is a lighting effect and a feature to make watching videos much more immersive. What it does is it casts gentle colors from video into your screen's background. So this is one of the most notable advantages, and it's also a very cool feature. And what it does is it just uses gentle colors from the videos around your video, outside of your video. So another one of its advantages is using ambient mode will reduce eye strain too. So we'll check out what ambient mode looks like now. So just go to YouTube and we'll run this video. Now, as you can see around your video edges right there, you will see a glowing light. Now, this is what ambient mode is on YouTube. Now, this will make watching videos much more fun and immersive, and it will also reduce eye strains. So this is ambient mode, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.